As you come up the winding driveway, it's hard to not get caught up in the beauty and the simplicity of what this mini farm has to offer. Welcome to Springplace Road. It's known for its springs and abundance of water that flow through the valleys all year long. Just to hear somebody talk about Springplace, you know that they have a little slice of heaven. It's only about 12 minutes from town. There's an abundance of beautiful timber and wildlife. As you wind up the driveway, you see the brand new Amish built custom home. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a perfect layout sitting in the open hayfield. Feels like a naturally protected place in our busy world. And it has the seclusion and privacy that everyone desires. This part of the country, they're known for their abundance of pure spring water that flows from the hills, fertile fields, big timber, an abundance of deer and fox still roam all through the countryside. All you hear are the birds, maybe the occasional turkey or deer in the distance. It's the perfect spot to raise a family.